Hey folks, it's Chris once again out here with Where to Wheel at Moonshine Farms on the Delmarva Peninsula or the Eastern Shore, however you want to call it. We're gearing up for an event today. It had just snowed earlier this week, so follow along, like and subscribe. If you are a landowner or know a landowner who has property that would be a fun time for off-road enthusiasts to enjoy, please reach out to us and let us know. We'd love to hear from them and have a conversation. In the meantime, enjoy the video. All right, the driver of this ZJ here is going to test the ice in this here mud pit. I haven't seen nothing like that in a while.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
Nope, they've been through it like 6 times already and know what they're getting into. Now we're kind of emptying this thing out. It's gnarly. See if the ZR2 is gonna give it a go. Oh, almost got stuck. Good to go though. Oh my gosh. Oh, we've got to recover a Suburban. That's going to be quite a bit difficult. Is it a no or is he? Okay, he's going to put it back on forward. Gnarly. Make it. It's got a lot of ice to cut through here. Bottom, but she's pretty deep today. All right, Bourbon coming through the other direction of this virgin mud hole. It's caked in ice. We got 2 inches of ice in some parts. who's up. Huh. Figure this one out. In the meantime, let's watch this pretty blue ZR2 do what he do. And it's sloppy out here. All right, set up this ZR2 recovery. The snatch rope, kinetic rope, Bubba rope, Yankum rope. So many names.
I would say leave the rope on him and wait for that Chevy to come, because that ain't coming out.
Here comes another snatch.
There we go. Watch yourself, Tony.
Couple more of those, it'll go.
It moved that time. That did or did not move? It did. Alright, here we go. Get your wheels going.
Too much. There we go. Looks like we're out.
Stay on it, stay on it. There we go.
And we're out.
Thanks.
All right. That didn't sound good. That old Blazer has seen a better day. Heard a big pop moments ago. All right, we are connected. Slack is pulled out. Anchor is taut. A little bit, there we go. Brian's gonna hold his line up so we can prevent it from getting too muddy. Although I think it's a bit too late for that. Yeah, oh, he's definitely out now.
Barely even stuck.
But we'll get him all the way, make it easier to disconnect the winch line. Righto, all right. Good recovery. All right, the property owner here in his old Chevy Blazer on 35s is going to attempt the pit that the Suburban just got rescued from. There we go. Oh, is he going to get out? I think he's going to make it. I think he's going to make it. Oh, he's stuck. It's about as far as the Suburban went. Yeah. I see what's going on here. You got a mountain of material you're pushing in front of you. So you got any reverse? You're stuck. All right. Yeah, that's all she wrote. Let's find somebody to hook you up. Yep. That's okay. Wow, that bed is articulating. That doesn't look good. The bed is part of his suspension. Did you see how twisted that thing got? Yeah, something's funky with that the frame on that body Chevy. So they're using a static strap. It's not recommended for dynamic pull.